What's up, teammates?
We back to give y'all something that y'all have been requesting for a while. So today is the day y'all get a house tour.
Yes, so y'all know we live in, well, y'all probably don't know, but I'm about to tell y'all. So we live in a luxury apartment building in Mexico. And so today we're going to give you a tour of it. If you're interested, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss no upcoming videos.
Let's get into it.
From D-Town to H-Town, you know that I got you, girl. Know that I'm gonna love you forever. It's my town and your town. Now that we're here, we gon' build this empire together. When you smile, I smile. As long as I got you, I'm gon' make sure that you smile forever. You're 2 down, I'm so proud. No matter the weather, we gon' pull through the storms together. You're my queen and I'm your king. You're my love, my everything. You have my heart and yours with me. I'm feeling like it's destiny.
Come on in. As you can see, we got nice lights as soon as you enter the house. Nice lighting as soon as you enter. Then you see we got these quartz countertops, you know what I'm saying? We got the nice flooring, the vented hood. Stainless steel to me, maybe to us, automatically means like luxury. So when you come in, you got them stainless steel appliances and all of that stuff that just helps let us know that we in something luxury. We got our living room area right here. This house came fully furnished, so the couches, the tables, the television, all came included.
Everything you see was included when we walked in.
We just bought our bags.
Just bought the bags, TV, everything.
You see the floor to ceiling windows. We got 3 of them. Then you got the curtains to pull it down if you don't want so much of that light in. Slide all the way open. Come on.
It's my favorite part, just being able to walk out and just open that all the way. I feel like that's luxury right there.
Absolutely. And then you got the view. Not just the view of the whole Merida, you got the view of the pool right below us. Both pools.
So this pool is like, neither one of them are pretty deep, but this one is like a big square, and then we got that one over there that's like a little strip. It's like a little lap pool. Yeah, and this hella seating out there. Like you can lay in the chairs. This little part, it would be nice if it was heated, but it's not a jacuzzi. It's just a little section where everybody sit down there. So.
Yeah, we go down there. We'll show y'all that in a minute. We gotta go down there and show y'all. It's barbecue grills, all types of stuff. So as I said, this house came fully furnished. That means the microwave, we got silverware, we got spatulas, ladles, anything you can think of, you name it. We got pots, pans, blenders,
everything.
toasters.
It's like we walked into an Airbnb. It's like we walked into Airbnb, but it wasn't Airbnb.
Yeah, pans, toasters, cleaning supplies, everything you can think of. The coolest part, one of the coolest parts, is this stove. I've never had one of these in the States. But I hear they like fancy. So you like touch it.
It's like touch screen.
And you can like turn up each eye individually. Like, see, I barely still know how to work it, but yeah, you can turn up each eye individually. And then you got this right here, or just in case you wanna get a little light on your stove. And then if it get a little smoky because you fried some chicken or something, you can turn the vent fan on. I know you hear pressure. All right. Oh, I can't forget the double door refrigerator. We got the ice maker water situation that we never use because we hear Mexico's water is not drinkable, so we don't use that.
I'm not drinking. I'm good.
Refrigerator. It ain't got nothing in it right now, but this is our refrigerator.
Freezer down here.
And this is a little ice maker on the side. You put some little water in here, and then you put this over, the ice drops out of the tray. I don't know, I think that's cool. And you gotta have your washer and dryer. Washer and dryer right here are ready for us.
All the appliances, washer and dryer, stove, stove, refrigerator, everything was here. Of course the stove was here, right? Yeah.
Okay. Let's go check out the
table. This is like really good quality, like material. It's not like no little cheap, you know.
You gotta be luxury. If you're gonna be luxury, you gotta be luxury.
We had hella space up here. These are cabinets. These cabinets are so nice. I've never seen these until I came to Mexico. So.
Nothing too crazy. Nice bed, headboard, air conditioning, which is mandatory. You know what I'm saying?
Air conditioning is mandatory.
All right, the same views we got off the balcony. we got in the bedroom. We just don't have a walkout balcony or anything. But, you know, you got the window you can swing open, get you a little breeze if it is one. That type of vibe.
Yeah. That's from the bedroom.
Hello? Hola?
And this is
Hola?
also from the bedroom. You can like see a lot of stuff. Views. So we got 2 nice windows in our bedroom. This was the primary bedroom. All right, so you're not gonna see too many closets. You're definitely gonna see like the shelving area. Here's where Sam will put his clothes. Well, Sam used both of these, I ain't gonna lie. Sam, this is all Sam's little area.
That was my little situation, y'all.
Over here, you got your sink and mirror. This is the toilet. When you open
You got a separate little area for the toilet. You know, nothing too crazy. Just go in there, do your business, and you can close the little glass door and have your little privacy. But we don't do no privacy in this house.
And here's the shower.
The shower that 4 people can get in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we in this thing.
I like this part.
So we hang all our body wash and all of that stuff at.
It's the second bathroom. If you don't want people all in your space, which we didn't, we was lucky to have this second bathroom.
AKA Mama's bathroom where she
My
put
bathroom,
all her shit.
All my stuff is in here.
You know how women be having all that stuff?
This
Yeah.
is my sink with my mirror right there. Toilet. And the shower. I had
Similar to the other shower, but you just don't got the private door. You still got the niche and everything.
Yeah, you still got this part.
And you still got plenty of space if you want to get in there and, you know, shower with your partner.
And then you can either go that way or you can come this way. I moved
It's
over there.
2 ways to enter. Up. Hey! Fancy seeing you here. Bedroom, AKA the guest room. We don't have any guests, so as you can see, there's nothing going on in here.
Yeah.
This is like a room where we throw stuff on the bed and the dogs actually come in here and relax and look out the window.
I used to use this, I used this. This was all my clothes. So Sam had the one in the bedroom and I used this one.
So she got 3 of these, she got the drawers, and then she still got a dresser right here to put all her stuff in. So we both had plenty space. You still got the windows that
Open.
You still got the windows that swing out. You can kind of see like the grocery
What's going
store and
on?
all of that stuff. See
Nice
people
view
working.
from this. Nice view. And then over here, you got the same thing. Another view from the house. It's like nice views all around this apartment. That's one thing I loved about it.
Indeed.
Okay. Then, I
More
mean,
hangers.
that's about it. And like we said, everything that you see was here.
Hold on, this is the Wi-Fi box that we have so much trouble with. Yeah, this is it.
Everything that you see was here. This dresser was here when we walked in. Here, the ironing board, the iron, all that stuff was here already.
Y'all have seen our crib, y'all have came, y'all have walked through, y'all have seen inside of our most intimate spaces. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't gotta go home, but y'all gotta get the hell up out of here.
Well, this not
always wanted to say that.
yeah, I know, I see. This not our place no more though, so we decided to show y'all while we moving out. But y'all get the tea and everything about that in
But
another
yeah,
video.
y'all wanted to see the house tour, where we were staying when we got here. You know what I'm saying? This was the house tour. We're gonna show y'all the amenities on the 3rd floor. We might show y'all the 12th floor, the little sky deck area. You know what I'm saying? But besides that, that has been the crib.
Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss no upcoming videos. And until next time,
Peace.